yummy. Yum, 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 yum. Say yum, 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 yum. No, don't stick your hands in your mouth. Say yum, 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 yum. Here. Here. Oh, wait. No. Here. Open. Yum. Ariel, what are you doing? Is it good? Yum. Mmm. Mmm. Is it good? Huh? Is that good stuff? Say yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. You gotta swallow it. You have to swallow it. Yummy. Say yummy. Open up. Yum. Mmm. Yummy. Yummy. Is it good? Huh? That's Rice Baby cereal. Yep. It's good for the baby. It's good for the baby. Mmm. Look at that face. No, you can't spit that out. You gotta swallow that. You got to swallow that. What? Huh? You got to swallow that. I still see some in there. If you toss and turn, do you think you could get it out of your mouth? Huh? Is that what you're trying to do? Huh? Yeah. Here. Yum. You get it all over the place. Look at this little girl. This is her at 4 weeks and 1 day. Look at his little feet under there.